One. Okay, so where are you at right now, Mom?
Welcome to Wyoming!
Hi, in this video I will show you Wyoming, cowboy state. Wyoming used to be part of northwestern Texas. Their food is influenced by indigenous and Mexican people. Now it's 92% white, which is mostly made out of German, English, and Irish Americans. Alright.
We don't have a coast.
It's in the middle, but then there's a lot of things to do in the middle, you know.
Yeah.
Wild West.
Yeah, you can take your four-wheelers and stuff out in the red desert and side by side.
Chris Ledoux from Wyoming says sit tall and hold your head high. Don't be scared and just enjoy the ride. Wyoming was settled by the Cheyenne and the Shoshone tribe. Like most indigenous tribes in the United States, they gathered in groups and hunt down bisons. One clever technique they used was the bison cliff jump, where many bisons jumped off the cliff. Want somebody? Oh.
About to try the Rocky Mountain oysters. Very nice and crisp on the outside. Let's see how it tastes on the inside.
I'm about to try Rocky Mountain oysters. Bite. How does it taste, Dad? Delicious. Oh, okay. Oh, fufu. This is bison balls, I believe. Yeah.
In the same exact spot, and it will create
That's different than the first one. This one's chewy. The other one was tender. This one has more content in the inside.
Does it taste like bison balls?
It does if you think about it. No, I don't want.
If Rocky Mountain oysters aren't your thing, bison burgers are really good. You should try. It's very juicy. When people think of Wyoming, they think of Yellowstone and Old Faithful. It's a good place to visit with the family. Inside the tourism center, there's a chart that shows which geyser is ready to rock and roll. Be careful when you get too close because it's really hot. If you want to do something fun, you should visit Jackson Hole and go water rafting with family. Winter in Wyoming can be really cold, but fun.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah.
If you want to fall asleep, you should visit museums. Just kidding. It's really fun visit if you like 1800s history. Or you can take road trips to the countryside and see the prairies and animals. Okay, so this is what you would expect inside a Wyoming wagon. So they have the clothes here, and then bear trap and fur, along with lanterns, barrel, Morning rope for emergencies. Okay, so on this side of the wagon, they have their shovel, and then miner's pickaxe, and a rifle for emergency. Frontier Days gives you the experience of how it's like to live in Wyoming in the 1800s, but it gets crowded. Taco John's is a local favorite you should try. Spicy chicken from Taco John's. If you're not into tacos, there's Cowgirl Pizza and Laundromat. Yes, you can eat pizza while doing laundry, which is unique in Wyoming. What's that deer doing? Oh, he's looking.
But some of the other areas, like the Red Desert down here, is a lot of fun. The Medicine Bow Mountains, you see a lot of moose down in there.
Okay.
Star Valley is pretty, right in here. Even the Bighorns, the Shoshone Mountains, Wind River Range, they're all beautiful. Buildings in Guernsey State Park back in the 30s and 40s, they're amazing the way they're built. It's just outstanding. One of them is called Castle, that's up here in the park. And you can actually cook a meal in their open fireplace. Take those stone steps up to the top and sit and eat your dinner as you're looking out over the reservoir. That's a lot of fun. Fort Laramie is a huge fort that they have tried to preserve, I guess, and that's a really neat place. Chugwater has the best the best milkshake and malt that I've ever had. It's a great place. It's the oldest soda fountain in the state.
Okay.
So just about everywhere you go, there's so much fun things to do in Wyoming. It's just an amazing state.
Fun stuff.
It has so much to offer. You've got the mountains, you've got the grasslands, you've got the desert, you've got fishing, hunting, hiking, just about anything.
And so would you guys say that this is why you guys love Wyoming?
Oh, yes. It's just got, I love that it's wide open spaces, that it's not overcrowded.
And you can stop pretty much anywhere and you'll find something.
You'll find something to
Yep.
do?
There's always something to do here.
I was going to say, I've lived here all my life and I'm still going around the state and learning finding fun stuff to do, whether that's like outdoors or like kind of touristy attractions. It's a lot of fun stuff.
It has so much to offer. You've got the mountains, you've got the grasslands, you've got the desert, you've got fishing, hunting.
Wyoming is actually not that bad. If you're nice to me, I'm nice to you. That's the mindset here. Overall, if you want to live in a peaceful state with friendly people, you should visit Wyoming. A visit to Wyoming is not complete without rodeo and cowboy cookies. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more travel content about different states and different countries. Thank you and have a great day. And here's Wyoming's last message to all viewers.